Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use reminders for morning routines in TickTick. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use reminders for morning routines in TickTick, all you can do is simply go and tap open TickTick. So once you're in your TickTick application or website, to use your reminders for morning routines in TickTick, you need to first of all add tasks for each routine item, like drink water or exercise, and then set a specific time for each. So for recurring tasks, you can use the repeat option in the task settings to choose a daily, weekly, or custom schedule. Finally, you can set a reminder time for each task, which can be on time or a custom duration before the task scheduled start, and TickTick will send you a notification at the designated time. So, by doing this, you can use the reminders for morning routines in TickTick. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.